Hindi mo mapaigod na sinapro yung lagi ng nasa itaas. Ay, pinatira pa sila bulo. Hindi ko ba? Kaya sila paglalawin na lang sa Sina! Ako rin.
What lies beneath. Please welcome Jake Cuerta, J.M. De Guzman, Ace Marias, Jameson Blake, Kyla Estrada, Sue Ramirez, Charlie Dizon, and Janela Salvador.
First of all, let me say hello to everyone who's watching right now.
Hindi lang ito sa party ng dalaga.
Tatlong dahil tatlong pieces party.
Please remind us of your
Sa Maynila ay sa tour. Kaya merong nagdadayalis na yun.
Actually, as Anton Montenegro, I'm sure marami sa inyo naiinis na sa character ko. Pero I'm sure you guys will enjoy the journey of Anton and you guys will be satisfied. So, enjoy this one.
Abilitas sa kami aapin ay.
So I played the role of Echo. So they're hunting down the girl and seeking revenge. So that's what ginawa nila sa akin.
So I played Marco, ako yung private investigator ng attorney, and yung journey ko po sa kapag-overs ng pag-ibig ko is something to look forward to.
I played the role of Lucas Santiago. Kapatid ni Edo Santiago, gusto niyang dalhin sa mabuting dahil ng kanyang kapatid.
You know, kanilang mga characters na? Yes! Now, of course, I want to say, it's super intense. The show nito, no? It's very heavy, and honestly, I really want to congratulate you because it's really not easy to portray a character